Hey YouTube, it's me, Andrew Rovier, just out here on the hilly field, out by my house. Pretty beautiful, huh? Just keep walking. Right now, I'm doing my best to balance on the side of this canal, but I'm not doing a very good job. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. No. Not skills. 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 You see that? See that? Skills. Nope. Definitely not skills. Yeah, it just rained. So this is very muddy and wet. Make the jump. Nature. Mud, grass. Oh. My shoes are getting seriously wet, YouTube. A rock. Right in the middle. This is really tall grass. Like I'm worried I'm gonna like step in the wrong place and like start a Pokemon battle. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. This grass is very wet, YouTube. I think this is a bad idea. My shoes are getting soaked. I'm gonna have to do some explaining. This canal is very long. I don't know why it just keeps going. You gotta step in a bunch of rocks. Like, if I fall into a sinkhole, I'm not gonna be surprised. This is like weak soil. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I almost just stepped in one right there. But, no, it's kind of convenient. Wooden board right here. I wonder if it was raining really hard, that'd be like a waterfall. So smaller, that'd be funner to do. Look at that. Miles of beautiful land. Well, let's keep walking. If I fall into that, if I drop my phone into that, I'm gonna feel horrible. That looks way too... I could probably try to... I don't have faith in that grass, though. I feel like there's like a homeless man sleeping under there. Oh no, it's just one big clump of small hill. This is risky. Made it. Wow. This is amazing. Why is this even here? Kind of weird. I'm pretty sure if I went up there, I'd be able to see my house. Kind of want to go a little... Nah, I'm past my house. Let's keep going. Yeah. My shoes are sopping wet. Oh, you hear that? That's definitely... That's like mud. Look at that. Oh, my shoes are so wet. Let's just keep walking. It's a nice little neighborhood I live near, or in. There's an old urban legend about this area. It said that in one of those bushes, there's a door that leads all the way to the redwoods, and sometimes Bigfoot would jump out and get you. But that hasn't happened since, like, last week, so I should be safe. What was that? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, that was a close one. Bigfoot almost got me. What a nice neighborhood. YouTube, I bet you wish you lived here. And there's where the canal ends, over into like a sewer area. And then back into my neighborhood. So, see you later, YouTube. Nice going on an adventure with you. My shoes are ruined. Bye, love you.